The world of manufacturing is undergoing a revolution, and it's all thanks to 3D printing. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is a process where objects are created by adding layers of material on top of each other. This is in contrast to traditional manufacturing methods, which involve removing material from a larger piece. 3D printing has already had a profound impact on the manufacturing industry. It has made it possible to create complex and intricate designs that were previously impossible to produce. In addition, 3D printing has made it easier and more affordable for designers to create prototypes and test out new ideas before committing to large-scale production. But 3D printing has the potential to do much more than just create prototypes. It could fundamentally change the way we think about manufacturing. For example, 3D printing could make it possible to produce customized products on a large scale. This means that products could be tailored to the specific needs and preferences of individual customers, without adding significant costs. 3D printing is also being used in the medical field to create implants and prosthetics that are tailored to a patient's unique anatomy. This has the potential to improve patient outcomes and reduce the risk of complications. Additionally, 3D printing can help reduce waste and lower the environmental impact of manufacturing. Since 3D printing only uses the material needed to create an object, there is less waste generated compared to traditional manufacturing methods. The possibilities of 3D printing are truly endless. It can be used to create everything from intricate jewelry to entire buildings. In fact, there are already companies that are using 3D printing to produce cars and other large objects. And 3D printing is not just limited to industrial applications. It is becoming increasingly accessible to consumers, with affordable 3D printers available for home use. As 3D printing technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more changes in the manufacturing industry. So, get ready for a revolution in design and manufacturing, because 3D printing is here to stay.